That's the fish we want. Oh boy, oh my gosh. What is up, my dudes and my dudettes? Good morning. It's another, I think I just touched my microphone. I'm not awake yet. It was a rookie mistake. Well, good morning, my dudes and my dudettes. It is a beautiful late spring morning, 70 degrees right now. We're gonna do something a little bit different today. Last week, my oldest son wanted to take the kayaks out and go explore a little bit. I found a creek that's not 15 minutes from my house, and I thought that'd be a great place to go because the current was very mellow. After spending about 20 minutes in the creek, I started to drool because there were all these little smallmouth swimming around us. Now, I typically don't fish for smallmouth bass until we go up to Wisconsin every year. And here they are 15 minutes from my house. This creek goes for miles and miles. So if that's the case, if they're in here and we can catch them, that would be absolutely incredible. I would have smallmouth fishing all year long potentially. Now, bass is bass, so these guys are gonna count in our total. In the hunt for 250, we were at 73. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go put the yak in, let's go get to exploring. Hopefully we get into some smallies. Time to get to work. God bless America. Let's get a little better. Cool spot under the bridge. Not the easiest place to get to. That's a little steeper than it looks. Let's put in and let's head up the creek. I don't know what I'm doing. There's got to be a better way to do that. Starting with wet feet. All right. Golden inline spinner. Oh, feeder creek here. That's cool. Let's see if anybody's hanging about right up here. Smallie, get a better hook set. Okay, we've got contact. They're here. Somebody just swiped at it. Oh. Okay, caught a tree. Let's go ahead and move. Make a couple casts while my overheated camera cools off. Okay. He's right under me. He's gonna jump. Oh, that's a good smallmouth. Look at this little guy. What's up, bud? Well, I was just trying to cast while my camera cooled off. Look at that dude. Pretty fish. I love smallmouth. Good deal. That was fun. He was opposite where I was. And he left us. That was fun. Those fish pull so hard. Even this little guy. Whoa! Look at you, you feisty little thing. That is too funny. We'll put you back right away. See ya. And we're back. We just caught 2 fish on the second camera. I have a feeling there's gonna be another one out by this tree right here. I cannot tell you how excited I am to catch a couple of smallmouth though. This close to my house. Oh my gosh, get that. I lost another one. Shoot, that one just jumped on it like right away. Lost another one. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's tighten the drag up. Gosh dang it. Now I'm getting a little perturbed here. I need to get these kinks worked out. It was kind of cute at first, but now I've caught 2 and I've missed like 4 or 5. That was a strike. Scared the crap out of me. I was looking at this log on my left here. That's the fish we want. That's the fish we want. Holy, he's pulling me down the river. We'll let him stay down. Oh boy, oh my gosh. Good Lord, did I just hook a carp? I only got 8-pound test on, I gotta cool it. That might be a carp. If that's a smallmouth, that is just an absolute brute. That's a carp. Oh my gosh. Oh, my kid is gonna freak. How did that? I don't even know how that just happened. Oh my gosh. Oh. That thing is big. I gotta back away from the shore. This is nuts. This is nutty. He's up under me right now. This, oh my gosh. And I gotta move. I gotta move off the shore again. I'm getting over by some sticks here. I don't want to get tangled up and lose my bait. That is just a brute. I can see, oh my gosh. I don't even know how to pick them up. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh, my son is gonna freak out. He wants to catch one of these so bad. The funny thing is, it's got him in the... I don't know if he actually struck at it or what. Holy cow. Oh. Testament to my 8-pound fluoro. This is a crazy way to spend a morning. It feels like a tongue. It feels like he's got a tongue. Oh, there's another run. Holy cow, man. Okay, let's get somewhere rocky. I'm gonna have to step out of the boat to get this thing. What a strong fish. He just keeps going. I don't want to get out in the mud. Come here. I know you thought you were good to go for a second. I have to get a picture with you so I can show my son. Now I'm fighting the current and the carp. we're just gonna have to get him. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. All right, let's get you set free. Just barely got him in the lip. There you go. Massive. Look at that thing. It's as big as my leg. Take off. There you go. Well, that was something. Okay. Wow. I am out of time. Let's drift back down and jig fish. Do something a little bit different than what we were doing on the way up. Hopefully I can get in without tipping her over here. That was just wild. Absolutely nutty. We got a little Ned craw on a weedless jig. Should float a little bit, stand up. Whoa. Finally got one hooked good. Here, pull me that way. Mr. Smalley, so nice to see you. I cannot tell you how happy that fish makes me just in my little stream in Illinois. Wow, it's really neat. All right, little buddy. Thank you. Okay, that's 3. That should put us at about 76, I believe. I feel like this looks good enough that if I get in front of one, it's gonna get bit. There's one. There's a good one. Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? That's a sauger. Oh, that was a sauger. Holy cow. What is going on? This is incredible. I'm having so much fun right now. There's a thunk. Is it moving? That was the delay. Whoa! That was a delayed hook set on this smallie. Ow, he stabbed me. I felt the thunk and then he was swimming with it, but I wasn't really sure. Hey, buddy. Hi. Yeah, I felt him pick it up and it went thunk. And he had some time to eat it, and we got him. We got him. That's 4. I'd like to get a couple more because I missed a bunch. Missed a whole bunch. Not complaining though. This has been one heck of a morning and super peaceful. Why do I keep losing fish? That wasn't really a strike either. That was just kind of a little bit of weight and a bad hook set. That was a break off. Now we're gonna go ahead and switch it up. That kind of works as a paddle to a shortened up hula stick to see if they'll hit that as well. I bet they will. Good smallie. Good smallie. Strong fish. Strong fish. How deep did you take my jig, partner? Oh, not that bad. Good one. Nice little stream smallie. You got on you some sort of bug? This spot is good. We're getting close to where that little feeder creek comes in. I gotta remember that. Okay. Now that the camera's cooled off, I've come back to where it's a little deeper. We're gonna cast around here for a bit. We're just gonna let the creek take us where it wants to take us. I wanna be where it's a little bit deeper though now that the sun is out. It's warmed up. Oh, it's getting bright. What is this now? A snag. Well, we made it. 5 smallmouth today, a big carp. I tipped my kayak. We're coming back. We're gonna try again. I gotta get this all taken apart so it can all dry out before it gets wrecked. Thankfully, I had a dry box for my phone. I just wrecked my phone in the river tipping the same kayak about 2 weeks ago. That would have just happened again. So hopefully everything's good to go. I'm gonna go see if I can find my sunglasses. I lost my glasses. That stinks. Good fish though today. Good fish. Thanks for hanging out. We're gonna do it again. 78. Let's keep going. Let's keep getting better. Let's keep not tipping our kayak. Let's keep getting better. See you in the next one.